to take time from this workshop to sample the Kenyan tourism and hospitality. The Masai Mara is the 8th wonder of the world. It's not far from here. If you get some time, you can go and see the Big Five. But be careful with the lions, so that you remain safe to venture into real estate. You cannot venture into real estate if you have some quarrel with our lions. I also want to take this opportunity to assure you that Kenya is the destination of choice in matters investment. To start with, Kenya is the anchor state in matters peace and stability in a very volatile region, the Horn of Africa. We boast of excellent security here in Nairobi and elsewhere in the country. You are aware that in this continent of Africa, it is this country that hosts the United Nations because of the peace and stability in the country and because the country is very secure. Again, I want to invite you to invest in this country, in real estate, because labor is not expensive. We have a very vibrant workforce with good work ethics. The Kenyan people are workaholics. They work hard and they take pride in their achievements. Again, this country is enjoying for the first time an administration that is focused and that has done away with the bureaucracy and red tape to encourage investment. All our agencies, all our cabinet secretaries have clear and equivocal instructions from the president not to subject investors into unnecessary bureaucracy and red tape, and to fast track whatever licenses that they require, whatever legal framework that needs to be put, so that investors can have an easy time